In this video, I will show you how to get super clean tires and wheels every wash. Use any APC of your choice and apply generously on tire and wheel. Take a second to subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment box. Here I am using CarPro Multi-X. It works amazing. It is a versatile cleaning solution that can be used on tires and wheels. As you can see, its effects immediately at removing grime, tire dressings, and even some rust, which can be visually apparent as the product works. Then apply any tire and wheel cleaner product of choice. I personally use P&S Brake Buster Total Wheel Cleaner. Let the products dwell for 3 to 5 minutes before rinsing. Reapply wheel cleaner for a final wash to ensure a super clean tire and wheel surface. Use a tire brush to thoroughly scrub tire surface. If you enjoy my video so far, please subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and leave a comment below. Clean inside wheel barrel with wheel brush. Finally, wash the wheel face with a microfiber wash mitt. I forgot to mention, clean lug nuts with a synthetic detailing brush. Give it a final rinse and repeat for the rest of the remaining tires and wheels. Check out the amazing results after applying Tire Shine. You will always get satisfying, amazing results using the process I demonstrated in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button, and leave a comment below. And thank you for watching.